It's your anniversary, isn't it? and your man ain't acting right. So you packing your dummy gear luggage up, calling my cell phone, trying to catch a flight. You know one thing straight, I'll be there, girl, whenever you call me. When you at home, that's your man. Soon as you land, you say it's all me. Cause shit ain't all G with him no more, you ain't entertained. Since I met you a couple months ago, you ain't been the same. Not saying I'm the richest man alive, but I'm in the game. As long as you keep it 100, I'ma spin this chain. Whenever you need me, whenever you want me, you know you can call me. I'll be there shortly, don't care what your friends say, cause they don't know me. I can be your best friend, and you be my homie. I ain't gon' flex, I'm not gon' front. You know if I ball, then we all gon' stunt. Send her my way, she ain't gotta hold up. Whenever you call, baby, I'll roll up. I'll roll up, I'll roll up. Whenever you call, baby, I'll roll up. I'll roll up, I'll roll up. Whenever you call, baby, I'll roll up. I try to stay out your business, but on the real, you're so obvious. And if you keep fitting me in your plans of fucking up, your man's gonna get on us. That white sand surrounding us, he be handcuffing, he should work for them officers. If you rollin', I got a spot where I can put you on this medical and send you home doctored up. You wanna ride with me cause you say that he boring. Wake up, you rollin' weed, cooking eggs in the morning. Ain't scared to spend this money, I know I'll make more of it. First you was in the sky, now you say whenever you in orbit. Whenever you want me, you know you can call me. I'll be there shortly, don't care what your friends say, cause they don't know me. I can be your best friend, and you be my homie. I ain't gon' flex, I'm not gon' front. You know if I ball, then we all gon' stunt. Send her my way, she ain't gotta hold up. Whenever you call, baby, I'll roll up. I'll roll up, I'll roll up. Whenever you call, baby, I'll roll up. I'll roll up, I'll roll up. Whenever you call, baby, I'll roll up. No matter where I am, no matter where you are, I'll be there when it's over, baby. Cause I was there from the start. No matter if I'm near, no matter if you're far, all you do is pick the phone up, lady, and I'll be there when you whenever you need me, whenever you want me, you know you can call me. I'll be there shortly, don't care what your friends say, cause they don't know me. I could be your best friend, and you be my homie. I ain't gon' flex.
That's right-hand drive, right-hand drive. Not even loud. Alright, you want me to grab it?
It's really not that loud. I figured it would have been louder.
Take your drink, I'm on a boat, bitch. We drinking sand and a champ, cause it's so crisp. I got my swim truck, and I'm flipping loving. I'm flipping burgers, you ain't keep those right flipping loving. I'm riding on a donkey, doing shit, it's all flashing, getting everybody away. But this ain't SeaWorld, this is real as it gets. I'm on a boat, motherfucker, don't you ever forget. I'm on a boat, and it's going fast, and I got an automobile, pass me the ass, and I'm the king of the world, on a boat like Leo. If you own the show, then you show not me, oh.
Mark, there's a seat right over there by the door.
Come on, Professor! Yeah, nutty Professor.
Come over here and try it.
Hey, hey, hey!
Rob, you want to try it?
No.
I don't like using the fork.
Hope that's not polyester on you.
Yeah. is 100%.
Come on, get a bead down, yeah.
You'll be certified.
We're gonna custom shop?
Yep.
Where's Swallow?
Little beads.
In my hair.
What is
Don't fuck up that plant.
so close? Like a bubble. You know what he's doing?
That's Scott.
Ryan, do you know what you're doing? Seriously.
Get the fuck out of here.
No. I don't know. I'm just wondering. I don't know how you operate. What the hell?
The right tire is moving backwards.
It's in
the
park.
other tire
This
is
bitch
moving
has got
opposite
positive.
way.
Positive.
What year is it?
2006? Ryan, hold on. Don't you think you should be wearing gloves?
Huh?
Preferably latex gloves? Look how hot that bitch is. Holy shit, man.
Did it yet?
Let it cool down for a second or something. What?
Somebody got to come over here and do that. I thought you cut it.